Hey guys, it has been a while. I feel like I've just been getting on with it, like just baking and decorating, and I've just been really lazy to kind of get my phone and record and you kind of do the stop start thing because I feel like I've been under pressure a little bit and just trying to get the cakes done. But today was a really chilled day, so I thought, why not film this yellow summery stripy cake? I was trying to do an effect where it was like had the pastel yellow and then the bright yellow and like stripes, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I added the dye directly onto the cake. I've done this before and I just love the way it comes out. It kind of shades in like the stripes and it gives like all these different like colors and elements. I just love it. So yeah, I did that, and then I added a few drips and painted those drips gold, which you will see. And then yeah, just went ahead and decorated it. There were some butterflies on there, some edible gold, some meringue. I've done this cake a few times, like in different colors, but I think this yellow is definitely my favorite. I love it. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm just putting all the little bits and bobs on. And now the edible gold, which takes a while. I was trying to do it with my hands with the gloves on, but it was just not sticking. So then I switched to using a paintbrush, which was a lot easier. So yeah, and then there's me painting the gold drip on, and then you